Hello everyone, welcome back to DiamondTrail Ranch. Guys, if you're growing citrus in zones 9 or 10, a sudden cold snap can damage your leaves, blooms, and even kill young trees. Here's exactly how we protect ours here at DiamondTrail Ranch. First and foremost, it was actually in the 50s this morning, so for zones 9 and 10, that can be kind of brutal. That's a cold snap here. It can get into the high 30s and 40s as well. So just to give you an idea, what temperatures hurt citrus specifically, young citrus gets damaged at 32 to 28 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? Flowers and your fruit will drop at 34 to 36 degrees, okay? Your mature citrus hardy up to, I'd say, about 26, 28 degrees, depending on your variety. Okay. And why citrus, tropical citrus, specifically key lime, calamondin, and Persian limes are more sensitive. All right. It has to do with the temperamental part of them being in their subtropical environment. Generally, when you get those super hot, what's the word I'm looking for? The climates where it's a little airier, if you will. The humidity kind of helps as well here. But other than that, they're not bad, citrus in general here in zones 9 and 10. What you're going to want to do, though, is to water the soil deeply because the soil will trap your heat. And you're going to want to add some thick mulch around the base. You're going to bring any potted citrus that you have inside or under shelters. And you're going to check for new growth because the new growth is actually going to be the most vulnerable, okay? I will say if you're going to get really low, you want to make sure that you do use frost cloth. You can use old sheets. Lots of people use old sheets, blankets, covers that you really need to make sure they touch the ground to trap the heat. You can add string lights or a jug of water, warm water preferably, under the cover for more heat. A little life hack there for you in your gardening. And I will say, don't use plastic. You don't want that touching the leaves, okay? The morning after, when the sun comes up, you're going to uncover as soon as the temperature starts to rise, okay? I don't know if you know, a lot of people don't know this. The coldest time of the day is actually like right there at the peak of sunrise at 7 a.m., around 7 a.m. here. So you want to uncover it as soon as, I'd say, like, starts around 8 in the morning, honestly. Give it that kind of peak coverage. Don't prune any damage yet, okay? Wait till the spring. You're going to let nature take its course here with your citrus. Really, that's it. Once it's uncovered, you've got another day of warmth coming in. I've got lots of beautiful new growth coming out on this loquat, guys. You see that? That's awesome. Sorry for that. Give you guys a quick little orchard update there too. So I hope you guys are doing well. As always, God bless. Even this young papaya is doing all right in these cold temperatures. So hopefully your guys' gardens are doing good this time of year. Tell me what kind of citrus you're growing. Really, that's it. You got your morning of, your afternoons, and your nightly covers for your frost protection on your citrus. Okay. Subscribe for more zones 9 and 10 fruit tree care.